Tonight's Smallville featured music by Marie Digby and Travis. Available now at cwtv.com. Supernatural is brought to you in part by Kohl's Department.
The following is requested at the hands of the United States government. Today at 2:32 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, multiple nuclear warheads were spotted heading towards the continental United States, and are determined to impact the following areas: Harrisburg, Baltimore, Rhode Island, Allentown, and Raleigh. If you are located in any of these areas, seek shelter immediately. You are in immediate danger, and should seek shelter soon. In the event that you cannot find shelter or are not near any shelter, take the following steps. Curl up into a ball, with your head facing the ground. Do not look at the bright flash, as the nuclear warhead detonates. If you are with a loved one, or with a pet, cuddle them and make sure they are happy within their last moments of life. We wish all of you well, and for those who cannot survive, we deeply appreciate your contributions to society. God bless America.